Hi there, this is Rob. I just want to go over the trades that we had today. This is crude oil inventory day, so we have that big block of time where we don't want to take any trades and we want to start it up a minute after the report hits is usually appropriate. So it started looking for longs. The first couple were fine, and then we got into a kind of an overstretched scenario where it was very easy for the 4-tick target to get hit, so it started really cranking along. It did nicely all day, so it had well, I got up to 36. That means it had 9 winners, no losers today, which is great. These 3 trades were the only ones where a 4-tick target would have been appropriate and an 8-tick would not have. So you would have had those first couple winners, then you would have had 3 stops if you were using an 8-tick target, and then you would have had another 4 winners. So the 4 ticket, like we talked about, is often a great chart to trade just because it hits targets very easily, and the 8-tick, especially when things are a little bit tighter, is not as easy to hit. Okay, and then this is our 2-tick chart. So this is a bigger chart. It goes for 10 ticks a move, and we can see that it was able to accomplish just a couple of winners early. So it started out with this big push at about 10:45 after crude oil inventories. And then it caught 2 more winners, so it was up in that 30-tick range, which is a great spot. You know, we're only expecting a couple winners. So that means 20 ticks. So if it hits 30, that's great. And then we tightened up. So something like this, yeah, this one would have gone 8 ticks, but not quite to 10. This one only went a few ticks and then backed up, and then of course it would have jogged off and hit targets if it kept with the move. But it got out relatively quick on that. So ended up at 220. Our preference, of course, would be to just let it hit that 20-tick range and then call it quits on the day. So that's how today shaped up. If you have any questions, just shoot me an email at info@Bigfoot Automated Trading, and we will talk again. Thanks.